This is from Sean.
Hi, Sean.
Short and sweet, but he wrote in about the cameraguys.biz, the guys that did my home surveillance, home security system, and as they were, I found out they were maggots, so I shamed them into becoming radvertisers. So you can always find them on our partners page, and they sponsor our daily audio file downloads as well at radradio.com. Mike and Matt and the guys, they're great guys. And Sean wrote in and said, I'm just writing in to thank you and the camera guys. They did an amazing job setting up my home security.
Aww.
And surprisingly much cheaper than what other people quoted me at.
Wow, good.
That's the thing we were talking about last week with Mike. The people, I understand. You hear home security. Oh, you hear Rob's got it. Oh my God.
Okay, yeah, this is for the Richie Riches.
Yeah, and you right away go to that place where, no, I'm just going to order that camera off Amazon. That's as good as we're going to do. And I could preach all day long about how it's your home security and it's surveillance for if something does happen and how important that is, but that's not going to make a couple grand show up in your wallet or whatever. But that literally, about $2,000 is the quote for a single home, a single-story home, 4 cameras. You get all the equipment and a 3-year warranty. You own everything. And if you really think about it over the course of time that you own all the equipment and $2,000 to have 4 cameras placed, and obviously if you have, like, if it's a 2-story house, it's just a little bit more labor because they have to go up through the wall. It's like, I think he said like a couple $100 more. But that's like the price point that he wanted me to mention. So it's cameraguys.biz, and you will not be disappointed with them as people. And remember, just a quick shout out to my fellow small business owners. That's what they specialize in.
Ooh,
that's where a lot of us really need it. We own businesses. There's a lot of bad people out there, smash and grabs, terrible employees that you want to surveil. That's their bailiwick right there.